Good morning, everyone. This morning I'm going to teach about vitamins and what is essential for in our body. Then the source of that vitamin. I'm going to be a little bit of fast so that I will give as short as information as possible. Or I will give all the information, but within a short period of time. Vitamin A is good for eyes, immune system, and our skin. We get it from orange fruits, veggies, like vegetable. We get it from also carrot and green vegetables, then milk. Vitamin B6 is for our brain function, nerve function, and red blood cell production. You get it from beans, nuts, red meat, fish, egg, and spinach. Vitamin B12 it functions for red cells production and nerve function. You get them from milk, eggs, poultry, like poultry meat, like chicken, red meat, and fish. Then vitamin C is good for our bones and teeth and skin. So you get them from tomatoes, citrus fruits, berries, like cranberries, the fruit, then spinach and tomatoes. Then vitamin D is good for our bones and calcium absorption. We get it from eggs, egg yolks, and milk. Then vitamin E is good for our red blood cells, protects cells damage also. You get it from nuts, vegetable oils, grains, and green vegetables. Then folic acid is good for our cell health and heart disease. It protects from heart disease. You get them from eating fruits and green vegetables. Using green vegetables. Vitamin K is good for blood clotting. We get it from eating eggs and green vegetables. Then niacin, it promotes conversion of food to energy. It promotes the conversion of food to energy. We get it from grains, dairy products, nuts, and poultry meats like chicken. Then riboflavin is good for energy and chemical processes. You get it from fish and dark green vegetables, beans, meat, and milk. So this is my teaching this morning. Try to share this so that others can as well get it as you are getting it and learning from it and balancing your diet. I'm going to make a chart and write it on paper so that I can post it for all of you who want to copy them and keep to be able to make use of it. Thank you so much, and I congratulate every one of us for following my page, commenting and sharing my videos, and liking the videos also especially those who take their time to watch the videos is most important for me. Thank you so much, and I urge you, if you are not watching before, start watching from today. Thank you so much, and God bless. I'll see you again on my next video later today. Bye bye.